In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube in Google Chrome browser. We'll keep it simple and use a free Chrome extension so you can quickly block access to YouTube on your browser. This method is great for staying focused at work or study time, and you can easily reverse it later if you change your mind. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. That's the main Chrome menu you use to access settings and tools. From there, hover over Extensions. Then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This opens the official store where you can safely add features to your browser. In the web store's search bar, type Block Site and press Enter. You're looking for the extension named Block Site, which is designed to block websites and help limit distractions. Check that it's the legitimate listing with strong reviews, so you know you're installing the right tool. Click Add to Chrome, and when the permission prompt appears, select Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it, and you'll see a brief confirmation. After installation, you should notice a new icon for Block Site near the top right of the browser. If you don't see it, click the puzzle-shaped Extensions button and select Block Site from there. You can also pin it so it's easier to find next time. Once it's installed, click the Block Site icon in the Chrome toolbar to open its pop-up window. This is where you'll add sites you want to block. In the URL box, type youtube.com. Keeping it simple with youtube.com will cover the main site and is usually all you need to stop casual visits. Next, click the Add Item button. The site will be added to your blocked list, and from now on, when you try to visit YouTube in Chrome, the extension will prevent the page from loading. If you want to confirm it's working, you can open a new tab and try navigating to YouTube. You should see that it's blocked. If you decide to unblock YouTube later, just open the Block Site extension again and remove youtube.com from the blocked list. Once it's removed, the site will be accessible as normal. A quick reminder, this change applies to the Chrome browser profile where you installed the extension. It won't carry over to other browsers or devices unless you repeat these steps there. That's all you need to do to block YouTube in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay focused and in control of your browsing.